Hi friend, welcome back to my channel CRM Cloud Tech. So today we will see how we can create a user in Azure Active Directory and how we can provide the license to user and how we can add that user in our CRM and how we can give that user security roles and how we can give them access to CRM to work on that. So let's start the work. So this is my Azure directory. I can see here you can see my Azure directory is there. There is the user section. I will go here. First you can open the Azure directory from here also. Okay, so let's see, open the Azure directory, and these are the user which I am able to see. Okay, so I will quickly go here and I will just here. So you can see here whatever user existing in my Azure directory will be displayed here. So you can create new user. So I will click on create new user. I will give the user name, email. So what is the name? Suppose I have a user Parker. So I will give the name Parker dot Peter. So this will be the email like this, peter.parker.asiacup50.on-Microsoft, and the display name will be Peter Parker. Here I am just keeping this as it is, and I'm just copying this password, and now I will click on new next property. So one thing is must, that is user's location. So in order to assign the license to user, the user's location must be in assigned to user. So for that user I am assigning the United location, United States or anything I can take. So I have just selected the user's location, and now I will create button. So now in couple of seconds my user will be created. I will do couple of refresh, and you can see my newly created user is here, Peter Parker. Okay, now first I will give him a license to use the CRM, because without CRM we cannot use without license we cannot use CRM. So quickly I will click on licenses. So this all can you can get in Azure directory. This is my Azure directory. I am in user section, and now I will click on user. I have opened the users. If I want to assign some group to user, I can assign, but right now I am assigning the license to user. So I will click on assignment. I will click on the license which I have available. Right now I have 2 licenses available. I will click on that. You can select according to your services whatever you want to give to user. Right now I am selecting all. I am just saving it. So in couple of seconds it will complete the action. Now our user is ready to get into CRM. So now let's again go to admin.powerplatform.microsoft.com, go to environment section and open your environment. Select your environment, maybe this is my environment. I will click on this word environment, and this section will open. Here I can change some settings. I can copy the environment, delete, and I can check the history of that. I will get here some information, environment ID, organization ID, and some sort of group if security group is selected. Right now I will go to access section. Here you can see security roles, teams, users are there. So I will click on users, see all users, and then user section will be open. So whatever users are in this environment, this particular environment will be displayed here. So again, if you want to add the user, click on add user and copy the email of the newly created user. So I have, if you know about the name also, you can search the name. So I know about the name, that Parker at the @Cup. Now I have selected. So I will click on add button, and the user will be added. And now when the user is added, it will ask it will throw a prompt, and it will ask to select the business unit and row, security row. So business unit, if you have multiple business unit, you can select from here. If you have only one, then it will not give you the option to select. So I have only one business unit, that's why it is marking as default. So, and now these are the rows which you need to select, you need to give the user. So here I can give the rows, maybe system admin or security system customizer I can give. You can give the sales manager, salesperson, like that user. Right now I am giving this user system customizer or system administrator. You can give either one or this one. Now I am giving this. So by this, security means user will be able to add or modify or make any changes in the CRM system, that is the system admin. So user is added here. Now let's refresh it. Here you can see user is added, and now we will try if the user is able to log in or not. So again we will go to source environment, and we will copy that user. We will open that link of the CRM. So this is the link of the CRM which I have already marked it, and park @Asia Cup 50. I will type. Actually I have copied the password, so that's why I am not copying this email. Otherwise you can copy the email directly on Microsoft. So I have copied the email here. Now again I will copy the password. So whenever first time you will log in, it will ask you to change the password. So here I am just giving the old password, now changing the password. So every time when you log in first time, it will ask you to change the password from default to your personal password. So here you can see that I have logged in with new user in CRM, and you can see I have the access to all the entities, I guess. Yeah, I have all the access to user. So this is how you can create the user in Azure Active Directory and add that user in CRM instance. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.